Dear students, today you will learn one of the famous game, Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a purely indigenous game. Indigenous means we invented, Indians are invented. That's why Kabaddi is a purely indigenous game. That as its roots, villages of India. Nowadays, Kabaddi famously, even village also playing. Village people also playing. They knew the rules and regulation very well. That's why Kabaddi is the indigenous game, and that has its root village of India, and it's developed up to Asian Games. It's developed up to Asian Games. Kabaddi game is a physical ability and tactics game. Kabaddi is the game of physical ability and tactics. Those who have ability of physical ability and means physically strong, they can play the Kabaddi, and tactics means skills, techniques, games. Kabaddi is a physical ability and tactics game, and it is a less equipment. It is a less equipment needed. Means to play Kabaddi, small area enough for court, and less. There is no specific equipments like other games. So, and it's to play Kabaddi, he has to agility, concentration, courage, and physical fitness. To play Kabaddi, he has to courage, concentration, agility, and physics. That's why Kabaddi is a physical oriented game. That's all about the introduction. Now, history of Kabaddi. Before we name the Kabaddi was played under different names like Chudugudu, Hududu, Ututu, like that, etc. And 1918, in 1918, the game Kabaddi got its name in 1819. In 1918, Kabaddi game as name as Kabaddi at 1918. At Amaravati of Maharashtra, Kabaddi name as Kabaddi in 1918 at Amaravati of Maharashtra. Next, in 1932, first rule were framed. First rules were framed in 1932. Baroda's Hindu Vijay Jamkhana. Baroda's Hindu Vijay Jamkhana named framed the first rules. In first rule, in 1950, All India India Kabaddi Federation was established and reframe the rules. The institute has been reframed the rules and regulations. In 1972, amateur Kabaddi Federation of India was established. In 1918, named the game as Kabaddi. In 1932, first tour was made by Baroda's Hindu Vijay Jinkana. And 1950, All India Kabaddi Federation was established. And 1972, Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India came into existence. Next, let's talk about the history of Kabaddi game. Next, weight category and duration of the game. Weight for under 14 years. Boys weight 51 kgs. Boys should not more than 51 kg. Under 14 girls 48 kgs. Under 14 years boys should be within 51 kg. Girls should be within 48 kg. Then duration of the game. Duration of the game. 15 minutes plus 5 minutes half time break plus 15 minutes. Total 35 minutes for under 14 years boys and girls of time duration. Next, Kabaddi code. Kabaddi code. Diagram of Kabaddi code. Kabaddi code length is under 14 years, means sub juniors, under 14 years sub juniors. Length is 11 meter. Width of the Kabaddi court is 8 meter. Length is 11 meter. Width is 8 meter. Next, half court. Half court. 5.5 meter. 5.50. 5.5 meter. 5.50. meter. Then lobby, both the side lobby is 1 meter. 1 meter. This is lobby. Next, this is end line. Bonus line. Bonus line. Next, baulk line. B-A-U-L-K. Baulk line. This is center line. Center line. Again here, bonus line, baulk line, center line. This is Kabaddi court. End line to bonus line 1.5 meter, 50 meter. Bonus line to baulk line 1 meter. Bonus line to baulk line 1 meter. Baulk line to center line 3 meter. 3 meter. Then sitting box. Sitting box. This is for sitting place of out players. Both sides, it has both sides. Sitting box. Next, rules of the game. Rules of the game. Rules of the Kabaddi game. There shall be 12 players in a Kabaddi team. There shall be 12 players in a Kabaddi team. 12 players. 7 are active players. Rest of the 5 is substitutions. 7 are active players. Active players. 5 players are substitutes. Substitutes. Total 12 players. 5, 7 are active players. Active players means inside player, playing player or inside player. 5 players are substitutions. Second rule. The rider should start the canting. Rider should start the cant is own code and 1 breath. The rider start the cant is own code means going riding is start cants in own code in 1 breath. That is second point. 1 breath. You should riding in 1 breath. Third one, rider should come back his own code before 10 seconds. There is a 30-second right now. Within the 10 seconds, he has to come his own code. Come back to his own code. Before 10 seconds, he has to come back his own code. Fourth one is all are gets out a team, the opponent team gets 2 extra points. That is called Lona. If a team all are gets out, means all out, opponent team gets 2 extra points. 2 extra points, that is called Lona. Next, if rider cross bonus line, if rider cross the bonus line, at least 6 anti-riders. Anti-riders means opponent code. Riders, opponent code is anti-rider. If you cross bonus line, there should be at least 6 players should be there in the opponent court. Then 1 bonus point awarded to the riders team. 1 bonus point. 1 bonus point awarded riders team. Next, late entry. Late entry, double entry, not come to within 10 seconds, and all outs in a team. Next, enter the lobby without struggle. Without struggle or without out anybody, it may be rider or anti-rider. If enter the lobby without any struggle or out, it is called, this called also rider or anti-riders are out. Next, late entry. Late entry means if referee order to go the right is not going, not entry, and you go is discuss and get late, that is late entry, that is penalty point. Next is double entry. At the time 2 riders enter the opponent court, that is also double entry. Then all out team players and the 2 extra points, that is also Lona. Next, cross the end line. If it may be rider or anti-rider, if while riding time, cross the end line. This is the end line. That is called, this is also declared as out and awarded a point to the opponent's court. That's all about the rules of the Kabaddi game. If any doubt about this, you can message the personal number. Firstly, Kabaddi is a purely indigenous game, and it's the name Kabaddi game as name in Kabaddi as in 1918, 1923. All India Kabaddi Federation of India, All India Kabaddi Federation came into existence in 1950. Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India established, and 1923 first rule was made by Indu Vijay Jamkana. In 1950 All India Kabaddi Federation. In 1972 Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India came into existence. In 1990 the game Kabaddi formally included Asian Games. Before that, not played in the Asian Games. After 1990, it's included Asian Games. Beijing, Asia, 1990. Beijing, Asia. Asia means Asian Games Tournament. Weight category of under 19, under 14 boys and girls. Weight category is for boys 51 kg, girls 48 kgs. And duration of the game 15 minutes plus 5 minutes interval means half time. Next 15 minutes total 35 minutes. This is Kabaddi court. Length is 11 meter, width is 8 meter. The sitting boxes for outers sitting, out players sitting. End line to bonus line 1.50 meter. Bonus line to back line 1 meter. Back line to center line 3 meters. Name of the lines. This is end line sitting box. This is sitting box. This is end line. This is bonus line. This is back line. BAULK. Back line. This is center line. This is lobby. Without any struggle while riding, anti-riders and riders also should not enter the lobby. That is out. Then while riding, players and anti-players should not enter the end line. One of the rules. Dear students, that's all about your second lesson, Kabaddi. Thank you very much.